Very good morning, student. Yesterday, we have already seen what is evaluation, what are the different methods of evaluation. In that, we have already seen in education is a process to do change in pupils' behavior. In short, with the help of education, teacher wants to do all-round development of the student. With the help of education, teacher can find out the changes which will be come to see in students' behavior. There are so many tools to evaluate student like written test, oral test, practical test, reading scale, questionnaire. Education is part of teaching. Good teacher should be good evaluator. Teacher has to do careful evaluation by test. The main intention of evaluation is to measure the achievement of the student in particular subject. In short, evaluation means measurement of students' ability in particular project or particular subjects. There are two types of method for evaluation, that is quantitative method and qualitative method. In qualitative method, in this method, importance is given to quality. Teacher gives a result in narrative form. Teacher did not evaluate in numbers. Achievement is given to textual form, generally to evaluate the student, why and how types of question asked to the student. The process of application, analysis, synthesis, both the methods are very much useful for evaluation of the student. And friends, in qualitative method, teacher use different types of tools for evaluation. The first is observation technique, second self-report technique, third projective technique, and the fourth sociometric technique. These are the important tools that teacher use in qualitative method. First, that is the observation technique. In this technique, teacher include checklist, rating scale, anecdotal data, cumulative data. In checklist, in this test, teacher asks yes/no type answers. It gives personal information about the students, it gives personal information of the student, personal opinion. So, teacher can take decision with that information. Second, rating skill. It is useful to find out traits in individual. Qualities of an individual can judge by this. Rating is given like a grade A, B, C, D. Third, anecdotal record. In this record, actual behavior of the student is described in this record. This is the factual description of meaningful incident of a student. Teacher observe the record and then teacher can evaluate the student. Next, cumulative record card. In this card, student significant is information. This information is recorded. It is permanent record preserved by the school. In this information, students' school achievement, attendance, health, important activities are mentioned. And with that information, teacher can evaluate the student. Self-report technique. In this technique, teacher use different tools like interview. Then teacher asks interest inventory of the student. Then teacher asks personality, inventory and attitude. Interview. This technique is useful for guidance and counseling. Teacher asks different types of questions to the student, and after that teacher can counsel or teacher can give proper guidance to the student, and in this way teacher evaluate with interview technique. Second, interest inventory. It is based to find out students' interest. It is organized in group. Personality inventory. Personal motives, emotions, adjustment level, worries. With this, teacher can judge the student with this information. Attitude scale. An attitude may be positive or negative. This is self-report inventory. By observation, teacher take proper decision and evaluate the student. Projective technique. In these following things, teacher include different types of question like sentence completion, completion of story, puppet show, drawing a picture. There is a freedom for response. He or she projects his or her personality. These techniques are not time bound. Fourth, sociometric technique. This technique is focus is shifted from a teacher to student. This is also known as nominating technique. And friends, these are the different tools teacher use in qualitative method. This is the method of evaluation for the student. Friends, we have already seen two methods, that is quantitative method and qualitative method for evaluation of the student. I hope all of you understood these two methods. Thank you. Have a nice day.